Welcome at the RTSE Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 19. In Unit 19, you are not allowed to the park. Okay, this is the title of the Unit 19. In this unit, you will learn the following: how to use public transport, how to ask for permission, how to give or refuse permission. Here are the words you will learn to use: bicycle, change, ferry, heat, heated, hour, minute, missed, park, parked, second, timetable, tram, use, used. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. Does this bus go to? How long? Get on, get off, no parking, you are not allowed, how many. Here are some sentences you will practice. Here, he is waiting for the bus, he is going by bus, he missed the bus. Can you tell me when to get off, please? Here are you are not allowed to swim here. Grammar tips. The new structure in this unit are prohibition and quantifiers. A bus. Picture 1, a bus. Picture 2, he is waiting for a bus. Picture 3, he is getting on the bus. Picture 4, he is going by bus. Picture 5, he missed the bus. Picture 6, he is getting off the bus. Let's revise this page, then we move to the next page. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6. Okay, let's move to the next page. A train, a tram, a plane, a ferry. Picture 5, picture 5, she dashed the ferry. She is going to the ferry, or she getting to the ferry. Picture 6, she is getting off the train. Picture 7, they are going they are going by the tram. Picture 8, picture 8, he is going by the plane. Picture 9, they are going by the bus. Picture 10, he is getting into the train. Let's revise this again. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, and picture 10. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Does this bus go to the Crown Road? No, it doesn't. It goes to the 4th Street. Picture 2. Does this bus go to the Crown Road? Yes, it does. Picture 3. How much to Crown Road? $2.50. Picture 4. Crown Road, please. That's $2.50, please. Picture 5. Can you tell me when to get off, please? Sure. This Crown Road. This is a Crown Road. Picture 7. Thank you. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1, 1 hour. Picture 2, the meeting is in 1 hour. Picture 3, how long will it take? 2 hours. Picture 3, half an hour. Picture 5, quarter of half an hour. Picture 6, when does the plane for New York leave? Sorry, there is a mistake. Picture 6, when does the plane for New York leave? In half an hour. Picture 7, one time. Picture 8, the shop open in 3 minutes. Picture 9, 1 second. Heat for 20 seconds. Picture 10. Let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. That's all of that's all for this page. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1. How many hours in one day? 24 hours. How many minutes in 1 hour? 60. Picture 3. How many seconds in 1 minute? 60. How many days in 1 week? 7. How many weeks in 1 year? 52. How many months in 1 year? 12. Picture 7. A timetable. Picture 8. Do you have a timetable, please? Sure, you are here. Here you are. Thanks. Picture 9. What's the next train to Hawthorne? In 10 minutes. Picture 10. How long will it take to get there? 25 minutes. Let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, and that's all about this page. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1. How much is that cake? $40.50. Here you are. And here is change. Thank you. How much is it to Church Street? $2.70. Here your ticket. Here is your change. Thanks. That's all about this page. Picture 2. How much is it to Church 7? Okay. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Parking. Picture 2. No parking. You are not allowed to park here. Picture 4. You are not allowed to eat on the bus. Picture 5. You are not allowed to drink on the bus. Picture 6. You are not allowed to use your cell phone on the plane. Picture 7. You are not allowed to take your bicycle on the train. Picture 8. You are not allowed to swim here. Picture 9. You are not allowed to turn left here. Let's revise this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and picture 9. Let's move to the next one. The Benson. Are you going out after lunch? Yes, I left my credit card at the drugstore and I have to go and get it. Tom's waiting for bus. He's going to the drugstore in Fenwick Street. Does this bus go Fenwick Street? No, you missed that bus. The next bus to Fenwick Street in half an hour. Tom Tom is worried. He has to be at drugstore at 2:30. He will be late. Picture 5. Does this bus go to Fenwick Street? Yes, it does. Let's revise this. Picture 1 and picture 2. You have to read this. Picture 3 and picture 4. Picture 5 and picture 6. Let's move to the next one. Picture 7. How much is it to Fenwick Street? $2.6. I'm sorry, I don't have anything smaller. No problem. Can you tell me when to get off, please? Sure. This Fenwick Street. Thanks. Picture 11. Can I help you? I'm Tom Benson. I came to get my credit card. Picture 12. Sorry, I'm late. I missed the bus. No problem. Here is your card. Okay, before going to end this unit, revise this. Picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12, and this is all about this unit. We will meet in next unit in the next video. See you then.